Okay, Bob here again. I got some running boards, or what are these called? They call them Nerf running boards, or I can't remember, but I got them from Hooke Road, Hooke Road. They have a lot of Jeep parts, but they also have some Bronco stuff that they're manufacturing themselves, have their own website, and I'm very pleased with these. They have a nice little cut in for each of the steps, and they're very well made. They're not light. They were pretty heavy to put up. Simple installation, and I think they look pretty good. I think Hooke Road did a fine job on their construction. And again, I think having the since 1966 is a nice addition, and came out pretty good. So I just wanted to share that with you. I'm not sharing the install because it's really straightforward. There's really nothing to it. I did it by myself. I held one end up with a bucket. With a 5-gallon bucket was the perfect height. Stuck a couple of bolts in the other end, slid back to the other end, put the bolts up, pulled the bucket out, and tightened them up. So there you go, Hooke Road. I think they're well worth it.